Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to log in into Snapchat without using a verification code. So for that, open the Snapchat application first. Now once you're at the Snapchat, you need to provide the username or email and then password to get logged in instead. This is a one way how you can log in. There's a phone number option as well. So if you want to log in into the Snapchat without the use of verification code, you need to go through the email process and then type in your email account. Type in the email address, then type in the password, tap on login. To log in into the Snapchat without verification, you need to turn off the two-step verification process as well. When you enable two-step verification, you will need to go through the coding process where you need to go through the second process of verification where you will be sent a code to your email or the phone number. If you enable the two-step verification, you cannot log in without providing that code. So make sure that you disable the two-step verification on Snapchat, which will be easy for you to get logged in without any verification code. Hope this video was useful on how you can log in into the Snapchat without using a verification code. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.